Wednesday's child. Tangela has so much to offer the right parents who can grant her biggest wish.
The sounds of organ music filled the room at Organ Grinder Pizza, where Tangela and I met to have lunch. Tangela took it all in, and everyone there did all they could to make it a fun, memorable time for this little 7-year-old girl. But it wasn't easy to get a smile out of this sweet, shy child. She wants to be happy, wants more than anything to have parents to love her and to share her love with them. She's been waiting a long time, and you wonder why. She's not a problem child. In fact, her foster parents and social workers say she's a delight to be around. And once trust is established, she opens up, and the happy Tangela comes forth.
What do you think a mommy should do when she has a baby? What kind of things should a mommy do when she takes care of her baby?
Feed them.
What else?
Take care of them.
And how should she feel about her baby?
Make sure she'll feel happy.
What's it mean to have a family?
Being someone loves you, and then they want to take care of you.
Tangela will tell you over and over, all she's ever really wanted was to be wanted. It should be the right of every child.